And hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Josie again. A terrific recipe I'm sure you're going to enjoy. It's gluten-free Italian dish that everyone will go for seconds. Eggplant Rollatini coming your way. Okay, I already heat up the pan. We're going to put the oil. We're going to saute our onion. Until it turns translucent. We gotta make sure that that onion is really soft. We don't want the hard onion there. Okay, let's add the garlic. It's getting dry. I'm gonna add a little bit more oil. Okay, we're gonna add our tomato sauce. You can use fresh tomatoes, but at this point I'm gonna use tomato sauce in can. Salt and pepper. 2 tablespoons of pesto. We'll put half teaspoon of sugar. We're gonna put our basil, fresh basil, parsley. Now depending on your taste bud, if you want a little bit more sweeter, you could add more sugar. Because the tomato sauce is, it's sour, I like my marinara sauce to be a little bit on a sweeter side. That will depend on you. We're gonna simmer this for an hour. Okay, we're going to make ricotta cheese filling. We're gonna combine ricotta cheese. I use part-skim ricotta cheese because, of the cholesterol, but you're more than welcome to use whole milk. I use also part-skim mozzarella cheese. And then the parmesan cheese, a little salt and pepper, and I like the garlic powder, and also some parsley, and 1 egg. Now we're going to mix all these good ingredients. Make sure everything is mixed together. So we'll set this aside and we're going to slice our eggplant. Okay, our marinara sauce is still simmering right now. We still have 25 minutes, but don't forget to stir your sauce occasionally, which I'm going to do right now. Now, we're going to start slicing our eggplant. Okay, we're going to cut the end of the eggplant here and the other end. Then we're going to cut this side here. Make sure that you cut your eggplant thin, enough that you can roll it. So I think I have 12 pieces here. I already brushed my baking pan with oil, but not too much. Just, just to make sure that the eggplant is not going to burn. So I'm going to lay it here. We're going to bake it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, let's put this in the oven right now. And we're going to wait, and we're going to start rolling up after. Okay, we're all done with our eggplant. I put them on the plate. Now we're going to start rolling and stuffing our eggplant. Okay, now first of all, we're going to put some sauce right here. We're going to take one eggplant, and we're gonna put at least like a tablespoon. The seam needs to be down when you place it here. Okay, now we're gonna put sauce on top. Just like that. Okay, I roll everything up. It's ready to bake. 400 degrees for half hour. And then after half hour, we're going to put the mozzarella cheese and we're going to bake it for another 10 minutes. Okay, so we take it out from the oven, but we're going to put our mozzarella cheese right now. And we're going to put it back for another 10 minutes because we have to melt the mozzarella cheese. Parsley, back over here. Ooh, so hot. All right, guys, I'm so excited to taste this. The aroma is so delicious. Okay. Delicioso. It's so good. Don't forget to subscribe. Ta-ta for now.